13 million, 16 million, wow, 18 million, that's incredible. We defeated many players with 10 million CP more than us, with the top player boasting an impressive 18 million CP ahead. We didn't expect the Double Cutthroat 3.0 setup to perform so well. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we'll discuss the Double Cutthroat 3.0 setup. While it may not be the best option, it has worked excellently for us. Let's look at how we assembled this setup, and you can create an even better version for yourself. Combo. This combination includes 3 damage dealers and 3 bait ships. It resembles Double Cutthroat 2.0. We have replaced the Stormbringer with artillery after acquiring Rinfuu and Mihai. New heroes and trinkets such as Eric, Laila, and Rinfuu have also been added. Baits. The support heroes, particularly shield providers like Ahab and Rikishi, play a crucial role in our battle strategy. We utilize 2 main bait ships with high armor and aggro to house these support heroes. The primary objectives of these bait ships are to stay alive for as long as possible and draw fire away from the damage dealers. The first bait ship is the flagship, equipped with the Sacred Guardian. On board, we have Ahab, Obi, and Wanda, which are the same as in the previous version. The second bait ship is the Scepter, outfitted with the Yamada set. We prefer the Sacred Guardian parts, but that depends on acquiring another set. This ship carries Rikishi, Cordelia, and Laila. The third bait ship features a hybrid setup and remains consistent with the previous version. For more details, feel free to check out this video. In recap, we are using Boreas with Cutthroat parts. The heroes on this ship are Magritte, Onimusha, and Kartal. This ship will enhance the Cutthroat damage the opponent receives while alive. However, we do not expect this ship to survive long. Its mission is to attract attacks from low HP targeting heroes like Scorn and Luna. If this ship is destroyed, it will trigger Laila's skills, increasing the damage received by the opponent but reducing our damage received. If you're spending money on Sea of Conquest, GemZ has the best deal in the market. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $127 for a 10,000 Gleamstones bundle. However, with GemZ it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Damage dealers. The 3 damage dealers are Strategic, Artillery, and Cutthroat ships. Strategic and Artillery are the group damaging types that deal with the most serious damage in the fleet. We have Eric, Griffin, and Sara with their exclusive trinkets on Orochi. Although assigning Griffin to the first mate position doesn't yield bonus attributes, Griffin still deals massive damage. Instead of replacing him with a first mate hero, we still prefer Griffin. The preferred ship part is the Furious Storm. This setup yields the top damage in our fleet. Next, we have Mihai, Elizabeth, and Rinfuu on the Goddess Satit. We covered the setup in detail in the previous video. Although the preferred ship part is Furious Storm, we use Blade of Freedom while waiting for another set of Fury. Besides, the Cutthroat setup was the same as the previous version. Feel free to view this video for a detailed explanation. We have Bones, Korn, and Luna on the Warhammer with Requiescina Black for the main Cutthroat ship. Meanwhile, we make the Warhammer with the highest attack, followed by Orochi and Goddess Satit. They have the highest attack in the fleet and will receive Feline Deity's protection from Laila's last skill. They will survive the first fatal damage, helping them to stay longer in the battle. Furthermore, Cutthroat and Strategic would receive a Rage boost from Cordelia's 4th skill and Elixir's effect. These boosts will let them strike earlier and outnumber the enemy. This setup works very well for us. You should make your version after grasping these concepts. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.